There are many finishes that we teach that take a certain amount of creativity, but there's also finishes that are made to be super fast, super recreatable, and easy to turn. People that are flipping houses, apartment buildings, something that you need to get in and out, your profit margin is high, this is a type of finish to go to. We're gonna use two different kind of products from two different kinds of companies. You could use either one standalone or you can mix them. The first one is a Rust-Oleum product and it's just called Stone Texture. This one happens to just be a sienna, which is kind of an earth tone type of finish. This is another brand made by Montana Marble, and it's basically called Granite. Really neat product. All right, so there's two ways to do this as well. Both of them being very fast and very recreatable. First of all, we're gonna start off with the plain sample board. This could be a sink that's in place, a countertop that's in place. Very easy to do if you cannot move your existing surface. So we're gonna start off. It's very important that you shake these very well before you start. Also, you wanna come up high, not go at an angle, and it's very quick. It's very buildable as well. Now this looks like it's coming out and it feels like a piece of stone, like a little pebble, but actually it's not. It's a very wet surface. So after you spray this, you need to let it dry at least 4 hours before you go on to any other step. Now that was the sienna. This is a white color. And you can just leave it in just one color. I'm just gonna do layers just to show you guys how to do layers. I'm just adding a little bit of white. So if you have a kitchen or a bathroom that has these accent colors, this is how you build on it. This is how you make it look more natural. I could leave it like that. I could even come in on a really dark background and get a whole different look. I could come in on a white background and get a complete different look. I'm gonna go back over, build it a little thicker. Now to me, that looks totally natural. I'm gonna leave this alone. And then I'm gonna come back when it's dry and I'm gonna put just a clear coat of epoxy over the top and then I'm done. So you can see how this is a very, very high profit finish because I'm in and I'm out. Okay, so we talked about how this is a super easy finish to do super fast. If you wanna take this to the next level and maybe add just a little more bling to it, make it look a little more custom, I'm gonna add some mica flakes. These are fairly small flakes. Flakes come in all different sizes. This is a pretty small flake. I get these from Stone Coat, and this is antique bronze. Now when I add these, I wanna add them from up high, and you wanna add it when your product is still a little wet. Actually, you wanna add it when it's pretty wet, so that it has a little bit of a tendency to make these stick. As the product dries on the board, it'll hold that mica flake a little bit easier. I'm gonna come over very, very lightly over the top, just to give it a little more authenticity, make it look a little more natural. All right, cool. Now when I come over with clear coat of epoxy, it's gonna really make this look cool. So that's a super fast, super recreatable, high profitability finish where you can get in and get out. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell for future notifications, subscribe to our channel. If you want any of the materials on this, you can go to our website, click on the resource tab, and all of our supplies will be listed there. Don't be scared. Move forward and be creative. Online Epoxy Pro. This is the ultimate way to learn everything you need to start grow, and succeed as an epoxy professional. We've created this course to be your comprehensive resource and guide to success. Whether you're starting from ground up or adding epoxy services to your existing business, this course provides all of the information you need. Online Epoxy Pro helps you master everything from the basics of epoxy and creating finishes to constructing and pouring countertops, backsplashes, and showers. We'll be including all our business secrets on pricing, bidding, contracts, marketing, and more. You'll have lifetime access to over 100 videos, as well as downloadable documents and exclusive benefits, including our private community and valuable discounts. Online Epoxy Pro provides the opportunity to learn the epoxy trade in your own home at your own pace. It differs from our in-person classes as this online course combines all of the information from Epoxy 101, Pro Class, and Designer Finishes into one incredible resource. Visit our website, onlineepoxypro.com. Now it's time for you to take control of your future. Don't be scared, move forward, and let's get creative.